In a glade bathed in sunlight, ancient trees stand sentinel around a mother and her child. The mother, with fiery auburn hair, cradles her baby close, their bond palpable in the tranquil air. Bathed in the soft glow of the enchanted glade, the baby rests peacefully in its mother's arms, a symbol of serenity and hope. The enchanted glade is transformed as dark clouds loom, casting long shadows across the glowing trees. The mother clutches her baby wrapped in a white blanket, her face etched with worry as the daylight fades. In the face of looming danger, the mother whispers a promise of resilience. "We must stay strong, little one." In the heart of an enchanted glade, rain lashes down as the storm reaches its zenith. From the stormy trees, a shadow beast emerges, its red eyes burning with malice. The mother stands firm, her eyes blazing with defiance. "You will not touch my child."